Hello everyone, it's a great day today. As you can see, I got an intercooler for me, for this guy actually, not for me, for this car right here. It's a custom made one by Mark's Performance. His name, so Rob made it for me at Mark's Performance. His name, you probably all know him from Instagram. His Instagram name is BlueBeast V60. He has a modified V60. Definitely go check him out. I also include his shop's page on Facebook in this video. So today we're just gonna get this bad boy installed and hope you guys enjoy. Oh, and also I wanted to mention that one of the reasons why I chose this one is because Rob actually has a V60, pretty much the same exact car as this, and he did some dyno testing with that one, with the DO88 one and this one, and he actually got a lot better results with cooling and performance with this one compared to the DO88, because it doesn't block the radiator as much and it's a lot easier to install. And I talked to some tuning guys and they actually recommended his as well if I have some major plans for the Volvo. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I went with this one. And the turbo doesn't have to work as hard as the DO88, because the DO88 one is so huge that the turbo actually has to work a lot harder to actually get all the air through the intercooler. So this one is a lot better for the turbo. The turbo doesn't have to work as hard. This is his Facebook page. Check it out, Mark's Auto Performance. So if any of you guys are interested in getting a custom built intercooler for your Volvo, I don't know if he makes them for other cars too, but I know he does a lot of custom fab work. So if any of you guys are interested, definitely contact him. Alright, so getting the bumper off is just a bunch of clips and 2 screws on the sides, and then all the screws underneath here. Just unscrew them all, and then also on the fender liner here. And the bumper comes straight off, just gonna pull the sides off and it comes right off. So we got that off. Now we're gonna get the intercooler off, the old one. Alright, newsflash. So when we got this piece off, I got the bumper off, you need this shield off, and you will also need that radiator support right here off. But once you do that, the radiator, everything drops, so you'll need some sort of support to keep the radiator and the condenser up there so it doesn't break off. Alright, so the only downside to this is that you have to extend the wires, because the old intercooler, the wiring comes through that. We cut that plastic piece off too. We extended the wires right in here, and then just mounted the sensors right there. And then also we drilled a hole right in the bar, and I put a rubber spacer or whatever you want to call it on both sides of these, and then just kind of squashed it together just to keep it in place so it's solid. And then these right here that were right here, we're gonna throw out. Those you can't put in there anymore with the big intercooler. So these ones that were in there, just throw them out, don't worry about them. The only ones we put back in is just these right here. Alright, so finally we're done. There's literally, we're like 3 of us working here. I wasn't much, I didn't do much, but yeah. Anyways, if you are willing to invest your time in making the wires longer, extending the wires for the sensor, and adjusting the sensor position to fit your, a little bit, and then the same thing, drilling a hole through your bar, your crash bar, a small hole to put the bolt through it. I'll attach some photos to this video so you can see exactly one, and then put the rubber pieces on both sides where the intercooler is to keep it from vibrating too much. It's definitely worth it. It took me about 4 hours, but I think it'll be worth it in the long run. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace.